Functions definition. A relation f from set capital A to set capital B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay. A relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of capital A has one and only image in set B. Okay. So this is the definition for function. Let us see some of the examples for the representation of functions by arrow diagram. Okay, so take a look at this picture. This is the first picture. Here, this is input and this is output. Okay, here in input we have three inputs A, B, C. Output we have P, Q, R. Okay, each input, okay, A is associated with P, B is associated with Q, C is associated with R. Okay, so from this diagram we can conclude that it represents a function. Each input corresponds to a single output. Okay, so because the definition it says that a relation capital F from set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay, so in the first diagram each input corresponds to a single output. Okay, so A has output P, B has output Q, C has output R. Okay, so it's a function. Okay, so take a look at the second picture. 1, this is input, this is output. Okay, now we are going to see the relation between input and output. Okay, 1 in input is associated with M, 2 in input is associated with N, 3 in input side is associated with N. Okay, do not confuse with this N and N. Okay, so it is output side, but we need to careful with the input side only. Okay, so in each input corresponds to single output. Okay, so 1 has output M, 2 has output N, 3 has output N. Okay, so each input corresponds to a single output. Okay, therefore it also represents a function. Okay, so look at the third picture. In this picture, input we have two inputs A and B, outputs we have X, Y, Z. Okay, A is associated with X, input side A is associated with the output side X. Okay, input side B is associated with two outputs, that is Y and Z. Okay, so according to the definition, this is not a function. One of the input B is associated with the two outputs. Okay, so for two outputs it is not a function. Okay, so this is not a function since input B has two outputs Y and Z, so it is not a function. Okay, so this is function, this is function since each input corresponds to a single output. Okay, so let capital X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and capital Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and capital R equal to 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Show that R is a function and find its domain, codomain and range. Okay, so X is the input, Y is the output. Okay, so draw the diagram like this. X, Y. Okay, here 1 in X set we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, set Y has the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10. Okay, set B has element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 1 is associated with the 2, 2 is associated with the 4, 3 is associated with the 6, 4 is associated with 8. Okay, so it is given in the relation. Okay, so note that in the problem it is given that 1 is related with the 2, 2 is related with the 4, 3 is related with the 6, 4 is related with the 8. Okay, so note it down in the arrow diagram. Okay, 1 is related to, so 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 4, 3 in the input side is related to 6 in the output side, 4 in the input side is related to 8 in the output side. Okay, so this is the arrow diagram. Okay, so we have to check whether it is a function or not. Okay, so we have to prove it is a function. As per the definition says that a function, a relation f from set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has only one image in set B. Okay, so now we check whether each element has only one image. Okay, so 1 has image 2 only, 2 has image 4 only, 3 has image 6 only, 4 has image 8 only. Okay, so this is a relation. Okay, all elements in X have only one image in capital Y, therefore R is a function. Okay, so therefore the given relation is a function. So it is a function. Clear? Okay, now we are going to find domain, codomain and range. Okay, so this is domain, X is the domain and Y is the codomain, and the range is 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 6, 4 is related to 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. You should not write this 10. Okay, this 10 is not associated with any number. Okay, so this is domain, this is codomain. So the range of the function is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so all elements in X have only one image in capital Y, therefore R is a function. Domain X, here domain is the capital X, which is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, codomain is the set Y, so codomain capital Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, range F is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay.